Okay, I have a bit of an answer. So here I've got a yellow cube, and I'll use it rather than the green block as the cutter. So in object mode, and I will, are they on more or less on the same level? So I'll move this in the yellow in an X, and then I'll move it in a Y, and that's cut out some of the car, or should do anyway. So to actually apply the modifier, then I'll go to the thing that I want to be cut, which is the car. Let's delete this one first. Boolean, yeah. I'll go to the car. I'll then say add a modifier of Boolean. I'll then take the dropper. I'll go to the yellow cube, and firstly, in contrast to the green block, the car hasn't disappeared. And then I'll do an apply, and then I'll drag the yellow cube back out of the way with the expectation that it's cut a hole in the car, which it has. Whereas the green cube, and this is just to prove there must be something wrong with the green cube, or the green, whatever you want to call it, shape. If I do go back to the car, do a add modifier on that, go to a Boolean, and this time I want the dropper to be applied to the cutter, not the cube. And at that point, it disappeared, the car. Admittedly, there's a little bit of apples and pears there, because I haven't tried, say, applying the green object at the back of the car, but I just can't see. I'm not going to spend any more time on it, but I normally do. But yeah, okay, good to know. Bye. I'm recording this because there's stuff I don't understand, and I'm hoping that in time I will understand it. Problem is that when I do a standard Boolean using this green as a cutter against this mauve of the car, fully expecting it to cut out a section of the car, as I've done quite a few times before, but that ain't happening. Watch what does happen. So here's the car, focuses on the car, take the dropper, click it onto the cutter, what I call the cutter, and it's going to be doing a difference. What the hell just happened? The car disappeared, or at least the car isn't visible. Okay, let's go to apply. I'm really puzzled. Why isn't the car? Let's look at the modifiers that are on this. We've got the material, we've got the mauve. Let's call it mauve. And we've got, what has it done? That suggests that it's applied, as happens, the green colour to part of the car, but the car isn't visible. Let's do a Z here, or is it somehow? Let's try a material preview. No, let's try a solid. Where the hell is the car? What if I make everything else invisible? The cutter. Okay, get rid of the cutter. The car, let's get rid of the photo. Where the hell is the car? This is a complete mystery to me. I do not know what the hell is going on here. Let's try another. Try a wireframe, nothing. Let's try a material preview, nothing. Let's try a rendered, and nothing. I am doubtless being very stupid, but let's just try scale on the car. That is the car. Sure, the scale's a bit off. Do a Control A, rotation scale. Now let's try the Boolean again. Car. I'll delete that Boolean. Delete the Boolean. I'm on the car. I go to add modifier, go to Boolean, again absolutely as you'd expect it to appear, display the modifier in edit mode. This is all just default stuff. Okay, and I'll do a get the dropper, apply it to the cutter block, and okay, stop.